Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to know more about the Microsoft Edge bar or the Edge Office bar, then either read to this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the explanations. This is the Microsoft Edge bar on the right hand side and it will be present in the new Microsoft Edge. The first option is to search through Bing. The second option is to discover random facts and cite information. The third option is to shop, and we have limited options here, but it will keep getting better with time. The fourth option is to use general tools like the alarm clock, the calculator, dictionary, translator, etc. The next tool will be to play minor games. These are not high profile games, but the kind of games you used to find in earlier versions of Windows. Then you can connect with Microsoft Office using the next option, and lastly you can check emails using this Outlook window here. One might ask, where is the Microsoft Edge Office bar? Now open a new tab in Microsoft Edge and click on Settings. In the Settings window, scroll down a little and you will notice this option for the Office sidebar. It will be on or off. You can turn it on from here and you will notice all of these options here, like for Word, for Excel. You can open their online versions using this Microsoft Edge bar. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.